Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. These golden bites are everything I love about Goan cooking. A little spicy, soft and flavorful inside. Fresh prawns and homemade masala. Clean and wash 225 grams of prawns. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 3/4 tablespoon of Goan vinegar, half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix well. Keep aside and let it marinate for 10 minutes. Then place a pan on medium flame, heat little oil in it and fry the prawns. If you have got prawns at home and you're wondering what to do with them, this is something special. It's one of those Goan recipes that's so simple yet packed with flavor. After frying, transfer the prawns into a plate, let them cool completely and then chop finely. In the same pan, add little more oil if required. Add 1 onion chopped, 2 medium-sized green chilies finely chopped, 1 tomato chopped. Saute on medium flame. Add salt and stir. Once sauteed, switch off the flame. In a bowl, add the chopped prawns, the sauteed ingredients, 1 boiled potato grated, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1 egg yolk, few fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce and mix well. In a plate, add semolina. Take portions of the prawn mixture in your hand and shape into round balls. I share many recipes like this on my channel, Goan, Indian, International and unique recipes. So if you like peaceful cooking without the noise and rush, subscribe and stay tuned. There's lots more coming. Coat the portions with semolina, flatten them slightly and shape them into cutlets. Place a pan on medium flame, heat little oil in it and shallow fry the prawn cutlets. This recipe is not just tasty, it's timeless. If you enjoy seafood, this one's definitely worth trying. And if this looks tempting, comment a shrimp emoji in the comments. Look at that, golden, flavorful and honestly hard to resist. You could serve this as a snack, side dish or even a light meal, and it always disappears fast. See you all in my next video. Until then, happy cooking and thanks for watching.